action ever.
But are we moving too quickly? A second whale death in less than a week in Virginia Beach has caused
most endangered large whale species calls.
to halt offshore wind activity are growing louder after two more whales were found dead in the past 2 days.
They have been saying we are engaging in misinformation or disinformation. No, we're asking legitimate questions that reasonable men and women need to ask.
Examining the remains this morning, hoping to know why this keeps happening.
The 10th dead whale in less than 2 months.
This whale's body has caused a call for investigation.
What is going on?
We want you to stop the noise.
This is an issue, but yet when you try to say that, I'm a cynical disinformation specialist.
I know as an agency we really follow the facts and the science information, so at this point there is no evidence for us to believe that is tied to wind energy at all.
Again Friday, New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy said he would not slow offshore development. But scenes like these are certain to ramp up the pressure.
Whales wash up on shore, obviously dead, and that is extremely unusual.
It's very moving in a bad way to see that. You know, it's just kind of something that's so majestic and so beautiful, just kind of lifeless on land.
I would think over the last 7 years of marine mammal deaths, the marine mammals might be trying to tell them something.
We suspected and still suspect that the cause of that was the vessel surveys that a number of the wind companies are now doing offshore.
Before building a wind farm offshore, developers map the seafloor and the geological
Whales wash up on shore, obviously dead, and that is extremely unusual.
It's very moving in a bad way to see that. You know, it's just kind of something that's so majestic and
layers beneath it using sound waves. It's called a geophysical survey. We met with members of coastal communities in New York and New Jersey who believe the survey sounds may be disorienting the whales, leaving them more likely to collide with ships.
They've been doing all this work, and about the time that the work started is when the whales started piling up.
NOAA considers the humpback whale strandings since 2016 and the minke and North Atlantic right whale strandings since 2017 unusual mortality events, or UMEs, in the past 2 days.
They have been saying we are engaging in misinformation or disinformation. No, we're asking legitimate questions that reasonable men and women need to ask.
Examining the remains this morning, hoping to know why this keeps happening.
The 10th dead whale